Hi guys and welcome back to Ken Reacts. So I look a mess, I'm really sorry about that. I've just finished work and yeah, but I just thought I'll quickly record this because I'm going out in like an hour or so, but I just thought I'd quickly record this. So yeah, I'm going to be reacting to Ash Island and GROOVYROOM's carabiner. What does that even mean? I'm gonna have to Google that later. But yeah, I feel like, or if you've watched a video of mine before or you've seen some of them, like you know that I love GROOVYROOM, like they're just top tier. But I've never spoken about Ash Island before, but I also do love him. Like I'm such a big K-hip-hop stan, so yes, I'm ready for this. So, and I feel like Ash Island's got its own like distinct style kind of thing, so I wonder if this will be like that kind of style. So let's get straight into it. Oh, bright lights. Sorry. Everywhere.
낯선 걸 대하는 것조차도 너무 닮았네. 그만할래. 다 지워치우고 싶었지 뭐. 여기 너무 높아 우린 버티고 있고. 너도 알고 있잖아 가야지 위로. 떨어지지 않게 잡아줄게 널 믿어. 안 떨어지게 할게 날 믿어.
That sunset's so pretty. It's actually quite beautiful, isn't it? Look it out. I wonder what that means. The highlight. He's actually really good, like attractive, like the way he just carried himself in that little moment then, like, sir, please take a step back. Let me tell you, I'm so in love with him. Like, I feel like you can just tell he really enjoys what he's doing. Like, the way, let me tell you a story, right? So when I first got into Ash Island, why? I was watching the Dingo video of like just him and Lil Mars with the choir just doing something silly. I thought, like, they're fun people. So then I watched his Dingo killing verse and I fell in love. Like, you can just tell he just loves what he's doing. Like, and I feel like that song, it's one of them songs that I'm just gonna play and repeat constantly and be in the kitchen washing up or be cleaning or something and be literally bolting that shit out. Like I love it. I was in love with it. So I feel like it's one of my new faves. But guys, that's it for today. If you liked today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.